Hey guys, how's it going? This is Tim Shaves, and today it's going to be second series of Lathering with Tim. Today's going to be a face lather session with the Maggard 22mm synthetic and a Stirling sample of Stirling Noir on its 22nd use. So samples go for quite a bit. They last a while, especially Stirling samples. 1 ounce samples. There's barely any left, if you guys can't see, but just bubbles and a little bit of pieces. But I'm gonna load with this and see how it goes. If you guys have full tubs of Stirling, I'm pretty sure it's a lot easier to load rather than this sample. But I'm gonna show you guys how I face lather, and yeah, get up a well-performing lather to shave with. Just gonna be a lather session for today. Gonna put this under water. It was dry before and now it's damp. So I'm gonna shake off a couple times. 1, 2, 3, that was 4 shakes. One more, 5 shakes here. All right, a little bit of gel tips going on. I'm gonna load from here. Let's see, starting from 25. I usually load synthetics for 10 seconds, but since this is a small sample, barely anything left, I'm going to load for a bit more, go for a 20-second load. And that should be right here. Alright, that's what I got. Barely any left, but we'll work with that. I'm just going to take it to the face, get some of the excess lather. Alright, let's get on lathering. First off, I start by painting the lather. Just like this. Just paint on the face, get an even coverage. Now, right now the lather is not too dry. I could tell by how kind of easy it glides on the face. So I could splay it right away. If it's too dry, I'll paint it first, add some water. Actually, let's add some water right now. So what I do is I scoop some water this way and just put it on the side of the brush. Okay. And just paint it across the face so that the water doesn't fling everywhere, but is evenly distributed across the face. And I'm gonna splay and watch it explode. Going in circular motions. And painting the lather when there is an excess buildup in one area. You can already see a good amount of lather building up, but this is a little bit too dry for me, so I'm going to keep on adding water using the same method. Okay. One more drop of water. And there we go. Just a good amount of lather to work with. It's got some nice sheen, pretty good slickness, and plenty left on the brush. Now, I think I could add a bit more water here, but it's plenty slick for me. I'm going to wash off this lather and go for a second application. To show you guys that there's plenty left on the brush. Oh man, this is pretty slick. Alright, got off all that lather. Let's go with what we got on the brush. Here we go. Second pass over here. There we go. A thinner pass, but that's working for me. I could even agitate that more to get it increased in volume. So let me show you guys. Just agitate it. It increases slightly, but could make it even more kind of thicker that way. Usually the second pass I leave it kind of thin as the water has been already kind of worked in the first pass. But yeah, that's a nice lather with good sheen to work with. And just to show you guys that there's enough for third pass, I'm gonna rinse this off. And let's see if we can get a third pass going. Here we go. That's what's left in the brush. Face is kind of wet. And there's not a lot, but as you guys can see, still a good even application of the lather. And take this out. Still a good amount left. Look at that. That's a full 3 pass with a 20-second load off a small Stirling sample. So as you guys can see, just add the water, work it in, paint the water first so that the water kind of is distributed evenly throughout the face, and just work it in circular motions and agitate the lather to kind of incorporate the water and the air into it, and it'll grow in volume and kind of make it more hydrated so that the razor glides easier on the face, overall giving you less irritations and less kind of tug. Now, yeah, so that's just one way to lather up. I'll leave you guys at that. This was my face lather session with the Maggard 22mm synthetic and a sample of Stirling Noir on its 22nd use. That still seems to have 1 or 2 more uses left. So thank you guys for watching. This is Timmy Shaves, and I'll see you guys next time. See ya.